It's feeding time. And she's been getting real friendly with me. He or she is friendly. That one over there is not. He might get close. At least he stays in here while I'm in here. But the rest of them, they usually stay over there in the little catio when I come in here. They wait for me to leave. You gonna eat? I'll put that food over there then. Since he wants that plate to himself. Here you go. Come and get it. Good boy. Go ahead, eat. Come on. You better be nice together. Good girl. Here. Go ahead, eat. Good girl. About you. Come on. Now he's in the house. Good boy. You must be spraying all over the place, aren't you? Here. You gonna eat it? Eat. Good boy. Where's the rest of you guys? Oh, you over there? Yes, you're in there waiting. Alright, let me leave so you can come in here and eat. Good girl. Good boy. And you another girl over there, so. At least they're getting better being around. I saw the other pit, the black one the other day, and 2 days ago. She's getting close to me and petting her. She just pats me on the finger with a paw and that's it. He looks like he's gonna get better. Good girl. And that's the mama. Okay. But she's all eat. Got a big storm coming tomorrow. And the rest of yous are. Maybe they're in here sleeping. That one's covered up there. Open that up. Oh, it's all wet. I'm gonna wash all these blankets tomorrow. Okay.